Marriage is perhaps the greatest and most challenging adventure of human relationship. No ceremony can create your marriage. Only you can do that. Sa paanong paraan? Through love and patience. Through dedication and perseverance. Believing in each other. Through tenderness and laughter. Through learning to forgive. Learning to appreciate your differences. And by learning to make the important things matter and to let go of the rest.
Because maybe you gotta be the one that saves me. And after you'll know one day.
I'm so excited kung ano man yung prepare ni God para sa atin. Sana we'll get through together. Sana happy lagi. Thank you.
There was a time when I was never really sure if I was ever gonna find that perfect girl. But then came the day when you came my way, everything changed.
Salamat sa Diyos at nakilala ko siya.
I could tell straight from the
Nung unang nagkita kami, talagang wala akong idea na
you would always be
sa kanya na pala ako ikakasal. Siya na pala yung makakasama ko habang buhay.
in all of my prayers, all of my cares.
So we pro, magka-work kami, like mag-batchmate, ganon. Tapos, ayun, tuksuhan.
Habang mas nakikilala ko siya, yun, parang mas lalo ako na in love. I mean, napapol sa kanya.
Tapos, ayun, na-develop na rin.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to believe you're something to find, one of a kind, angel of mine, angel of mine.
Loves, thank you sa lahat. Sa pag-aalaga, sa pag-intindi, sa pagtanggap sa kung ano ako. Na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa mo sa akin. Ramdam ko yung pagmamahal mo every time na magkasama tayo. Thank you, thank you. At huwag kang mag-alala, susuklihan ko yun hanggat sa makakaya ko. Mamahalin kita ng higit pa sa kaya kong ibigay.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to believe you're something to find, one of a kind.
Hi, loves! To the first man, I said yes. And the same man, I'll say I do. Thank you for everything. Super caring ka, super patient. Thank you. Tsaka I love you.
Where did you come from? Where have you been? I have been waiting all this time. Angel of mine. So finally I've fallen in love with an angel that came from above. You're something to find, one of a kind. You are all that I can see. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to believe you're something to find, one of a kind, angel of mine.